You are going to love the 2019 Ram 1500. When the Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.